Hey, how's it going? It's Bueller with Bueller Buys, and just going to go over the watch list review for March 9th. Here was the list that I post a daily watch list every day, just for the chat. So let's start with Beyond. Actually, start with Spy. First of all, we had a crate. We got halted here for 15 minutes today. That hasn't happened in a very long time. And then we had some buyers step in for the rest of the day, and then we got it to 284. And I guess that's when sellers decided to step in for the rest of the day. As you can see, ADD was pretty dead for the most of the day. Futures were doing the same thing. Little U, VIX was a little weird today as well. So we'll start with Beyond from the watch list. So of course you wouldn't have been wanting to trade in the morning, so that would have been good to avoid. As I note every day to be patient. You don't want to be jumping into these a little too fast. So you would avoid it. And honestly, I tell everyone in the streams too, you could be versatile on these levels. This doesn't have to be for break below only for puts, break above only for calls. You know, you could play both sides of this. You could play these either way. So as this broke, you could have played calls. If you didn't, that's cool too. Could have waited for a more patient entry till it broke the 88 level pretty much. Played calls, that would have been to the T. Could have entered about this candle. Hopefully not have your weak hands out, but that's going to happen. You know, today was a scary day for a lot of people to hold calls, especially, even if you were on this train. So a good entry a little after 10 would have been good on any of these candles, honestly. Above that level, it's really good. Just doing the levels I showed you all in the other video. If you want to, you can go check that out. It's on my channel as well. Apple, that was the next one. And these videos are just going to be me reviewing what happened from the daily list I post. This isn't going to be a special video or anything. Just a good everyday upload to have for the chat 5 days a week. And then Apple, these were our levels. What was the exact level? 270, 260, 260. So way down here is where I set the break below. So you wouldn't even have been shorting that. This was pretty good for some good midday longs. It was pretty much stayed above my level for most of the day. So it's good support. What was the next one? AMD. AMD, the NVIDIA. The war. I don't know why it isn't showing my break belows. Oh, it's because it's way down there. So I set some good break belows. I never had any fall at open, so it seems like a lot of the stocks just ran from open. A lot of S&P was weird today. NVIDIA. Exact same chart. Same exact thing. LK, sure it's green. Almost the same exact thing. So today was a patient, get in long kind of day. I definitely wouldn't be swinging anything heavy. I wouldn't be swinging calls. I'd maybe be swinging puts. I personally have SPY puts for March 20th that I'm going to swing throughout the whole week just to see how they do. I went light, 2 contracts, nothing crazy. In times of uncertainty, you don't need to be playing heavy. You don't need to be trying to get rich. You need to be trying to live. The other traders, some of the people are going to be out of the market here in another couple months. They aren't going to be around. So definitely want to play smart, be patient, be consistent. You want to be not last alive, but you want to be consistent. Well, that was the watch list review for March 9th. Comment, like the video, subscribe. Let me know if you want to have any ideas for any other videos I can do, and I'll be glad to do that. Bye. Thank you.